Today we're looking at the Boston Whaler 2020 210 Dauntless. This boat is equipped with the new V6 200 horse, naturally aspirated. It's an all white boat, T-top. Very versatile boat, being that she's got a very shallow draft, but it'll still take some pretty big water. Coming up to the back, you've got trim tabs on this boat, good sized swim platform coming off, swim ladder, 4 rod holders across the back. This is a casting platform, and also is your aft seat. It's the helm seat. This ratchets in 4 different positions with 2 rod holders and then a very large bait well underneath the seat. Coming to the helm, this one already has a Marine GPS depth sounder. You've got analog gauges with a digital section with SmartCraft information on this boat as well. Above, you've got life jacket storage, lighting. Moving to the starboard side of the boat, you do have a head in this boat located underneath the helm. More cup holders, another seating section in front of the helm, which again has another forward bait well. Got a large casting platform bow of the boat. This boat has a trolling motor hookup installed. It's pre-wired. You've got a fish box and anchor storage in the bow of the boat. Notice they do a nice job of recessing the cleats and all of the handrails. Very smooth design on this boat. Makes a great boat for fishing the flats. Any questions? Call MarineMax Fort Myers, 239-481-8200.